Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install an invincible zipper like a professional. If it sounds like what you want to know how to do, please don't go anywhere, keep watching. On this fabric, I'm going to mark 1 inch because this was the allowance I gave for the zipper. I'm going to mark all the way down, and I'll do the same thing on the other side of the fabric. We have different types of zipper. So this one is the invincible zipper, and this is the one we're going to be using for this project. So this is what it looks like when it's open. So what I'm going to do is to flip this over like this. I want the teeth to face the outer part of the fabric while the other side faces the inside, and this is exactly what you're going to see on the other side. And I'm going to use my needle and my thread and hold it down all the way to the end. Then coming to the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. So this is the one we use for the regular straight stitches. You can also use this one to make designs on dresses, but this is not ideal for inserting a zipper. In inserting a zipper, you need a zipper foot, and that's what I'm going to use for this project. So over to the machine. On the machine, I'm going to stitch this way. I'm going to stitch one side first before I go over to the other side. So while stitching, try to open up your zipper a little so that the stitch will get close to the teeth of the zipper. It shouldn't be far away from the teeth of the zipper. If not, you're going to have a large hole after stitching your zipper. So make sure you stitch very close to the teeth of the zipper. Because this zipper foot doesn't have double sides for stitching, I'm going to turn the fabric so I can stitch the other side of the zipper. Like I said before, make sure you stitch very close to the teeth of the zipper. This step is very important. You don't want people to see your zipper once they look at your dress. If you want your zipper to be invincible, you have to stitch very close to the zipper. To secure the end of the zipper, close the zipper from the front and turn it to the back and stitch. Start sewing. You need to go up a little, like 1 inch from where you stopped stitching your zipper, and start stitching from that point. About 1 inch or half inch is okay. You also need to sew on the same allowance you gave for your zipper. I'll quickly take off the contrasting thread that I used to attach the zipper previously. So guys, this is what our invincible zipper looks like. As you can see here, all you can see is a line. You can't see any zipper. You can't see the zipper itself, but you can see the head of the zipper. So even if I use a red zipper for this project, all you're going to see is the red head, but you won't see the zipper itself. This is the beauty of an invincible zipper. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that already. And until next time guys, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.